Classifying quadrilaterals, advanced problem. Taking a look at A, we notice that these two hatch marks means A to E and E to D are congruent, which forces E to be a midpoint going that direction. And we notice these hatch marks, which makes C to E congruent to E to B, which makes it a midpoint going that direction at all. Also, that means that the diagonals bisect. And if the diagonals bisect, that forces this to be a parallelogram. And it's also a quadrilateral, but we do not know whether or not it's a rectangle because we do not know for sure whether or not there are right angles. In this, we see that opposite sides are congruent. Therefore, it is also a parallelogram, which forces it to be a quadrilateral, but not necessarily a rectangle. Here, we have one set of sides which are both parallel and congruent. That forces it to be a parallelogram, which also makes it a quadrilateral. But we also have the addition of a right angle, and we know in a parallelogram that opposite angles are congruent. So if that one's right, this one over here is right. These two angles are consecutive, therefore they add up to 180. If that's 90, that's 90, that's 90. And we see that that is also forced to be a rectangle as well. So this is a quadrilateral parallelogram, and this one qualifies as all three.